Hi guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. Thank you so much for clicking on my channel. Today I am making this cute little Christmas tree using the 6-inch Deco mesh from Dollar Tree and the metal witch hat frame from Dollar Tree. You will need 8 rolls of the green 6-inch Deco mesh, and this ribbon or Deco mesh has the red stripe in it. And then you're going to need some of the shatterproof ornaments from Dollar Tree, some LED string lights from Dollar Tree, some pipe cleaners, your ruler, and your scissors. I also used 3 gingerbread ornaments that I picked up at Walmart for 97 cents, and they're also shatterproof. And you'll want to pick up one of these metal witch hat frames from Dollar Tree, and my husband cut the sides off of it so that it just made a triangle shape. You're going to want to take your 6-inch Deco mesh and you're going to cut your mesh into 24-inch strips, and then you're just going to take your fingers and just walk your fingers up the Deco mesh. And so you're going to make a bundle, and on the very top bundle I used 3 strips. Now on the rest of the Christmas tree I only just doubled the Deco mesh. So for the very top one I wanted it to be a little bit extra full, and for the others just 2 strips of the 24-inch Deco mesh. Just walk your fingers up the Deco mesh. Now if you're having trouble holding it, you might want to get some clothespins or some chip clips to hold the Deco mesh. So you're just going to do the same thing to all 3 strips of your Deco mesh. Just carefully walk your fingers up the Deco mesh, and sometimes it tries to stick together, so sometimes it can be a little bit difficult to work with, but just be patient. And so once you have all 3 strips together, you're going to want to cut your pipe cleaners in half and wrap it tightly around the center of your little bundle. I usually just make a bundle and then I add it on the tree. Make a bundle, add it on the tree. You can do it whichever way you want. You can make all your bundles first, then attach it to the tree. Whatever you like, just do it. But I used this bundle with the 3 on the very top of the Christmas tree. I just took my pipe cleaner and wrapped it around the metal witch hat frame, gave it a few twists, folded the pipe cleaner down, and so that was the very top of the tree. Now on the other bundles I made, I just used 2 strips of the Deco mesh. So I cut 2 strips of the 24-inch, made them into a little bundle, put the pipe cleaner around it, and attached it to the wreath form. So now that's just the way I did it. I didn't want it hardly as full on the rest of the tree, but I did want the top a little extra fluffy. So here I'm just showing you what I did. Same as when I did the topper. I'm just walking my fingers up the 6-inch Deco mesh, going to hold it tightly in my hand, and do the second strip. Now if you want to do the 3 strips all the way, then you'll probably need to pick up a few extra rolls of the Deco mesh at Dollar Tree. I had 8 rolls, so you might want to pick up maybe 10. So I'll write all the information down in the description box below for you. So this is very easy to make. It does take a little bit of time, but it turns out so cute in the end. So it takes quite a bit of time to, form your bundles and attach them to your tree. But like I said, it really turns out super cute. And my husband, he just clipped the wires off for me with a wire cutter so that I didn't have the bottom brim of the hat. And so it just made my witch hat into a triangle, and I really like it like that. So when I was attaching my bundles to the tree, I made sure and did the outer edges and also the center bars going across the Christmas tree. So just make sure that everywhere there's a wire, you're filling it in with your bundles of Deco mesh. And then just kind of fluff it and make sure it's nice and full. And then these are the cute gingerbread ornaments I picked up at Walmart, and I believe they're 97 cents. They were just kind of in a box in the Christmas section at Walmart, so I picked up 3 of them. And we also picked up some of the LED lights from Dollar Tree. I should have picked up 2, but I only picked up 1. And then we were just kind of playing around with the ornaments before we hot glued them on. And I also picked up this little star ornament from Dollar Tree for the very top of the Christmas tree. It doesn't show up very much, but I know it's there. And so my daughter is just carefully hot gluing the ornaments onto the tree. So be very careful using your hot glue. And those are the shatterproof Christmas ornaments from Dollar Tree. And then here I decided to make a bow because y'all know I love bows on everything. So just back and forth, trying to make your loops the same size on each side. And I just tied a double bow. I let out a short tail when I started and a short tail when I finished. And this is 1.5-inch width ribbon with wire. And I just took a pipe cleaner and wrapped it tightly around the center of my bow. And then I'm just going to take the pipe cleaner and thread it through the Deco mesh and the wreath form and attach it to the back and give it a few twists. And this is how it looks, guys, hanging on the door. Super cute, guys. It's one of my favorite wreaths that I've ever made. So let me know what you think, and let me know if you're going to make one for Christmas. And there's the cute little star